So yeah, I'm discussing a very important topic: how to create a polls on Twitter and Facebook. Based on Twitter, polls will be helped by the Facebook option also. So poll nothing but you can activate by your users on your Twitter account. So in this one, just first of all open by the in this option. I can create by poll option will be maybe who will win the cricket matches, or you can ask any question. They give you the suggestion by your polls. The based on trend it will be accepted by your permission your accept. The polls will be relevant to your Twitter is activate by your profile and increase your followers. So any poll will be create. You can add your question with choice of 4 polls. You can give only for option will be 4, and this Twitter poll will be end with only for 1 day. How many days? Only for 1 day. This 1 day will be accept, or else we change your options. So if we go for the poll will be created by how many days? Total will be 7 days. The poll will be created only for 1 day purpose. Day to day we can activate. So today I can create by IPL match related poll. This will valid for only for 1 day, not for the 7 days. Suppose any poll will be create any question will be how many days? It will keep done by only for 7 days. Any poll will be created by how many days? Total 7 days. So I'm selecting only 1 hour. So 1 day means only for 24 hours. So I'm writing for I'm creating for poll here. Just 1 second. So here I'm creating for poll here. In this the poll option. So poll will be who will win the match today will be here. So today will be based on that you can trending by your week. That will be Ash Tuesday. I'm selecting for Tuesday and Tuesday thought. So it will be trending by the Tuesday thought. So I'm clicking for tweet. So select same option will be posted on by your Facebook page. Now click for tweet. My poll was created based on your polls. The person will be given by the rank by your poll option. That will be increase your Twitter followers and the Twitter activity. So this will be done by your Twitter option. Next one, you can go to Creator Studio, select your Facebook page, select your option, post something, select your page. Just you can add your question. After that, select option call is polls. Select option call is polls. So your poll will run by 1 day, 1 week, never a custom. Custom nothing but select your date. There is no limit from the particular 6 months or 8 months, nothing is there. You can select by the day 1 to up to your time. You can schedule by this option. So I'm scheduling here. So done. This is a simple option. Any Twitter polls will be created up to 7 days, and Facebook will be created by the 1 week or 1 day or your custom dates. Your wish. Select by click for publish, or else you can schedule by your post also. The schedule will be how many days total? Up to 6 months you can schedule post. But here will be scheduled by the your poll will be up to your wish. But the post will schedule by the after 6 months. So that will be mandate from in your option. So this will be click for publish. So any poll will be create. How many days will be accepted by Twitter? How many days accepted by your Facebook page? When you schedule accept by only for 6 months. Up to 6 months you can schedule by poll by where? On Facebook page. Facebook page. So I'm writing here. Now started by poll. The base on the poll that give the person by the your poll option. Any poll who will be activated will showing for Twitter. Who will be showing activated by Twitter. that will check by in Twitter. Option call is analytics. Option call is analytics. Go to analytics option. Select your tweet. Every tweet you can check the option. 7 impression, 2 engagement. 28 0 engagement. 34 0. 40 0. 85 14 engagement. Nothing but 85 people are watching, 14 people are click for the results. 70 people watching, 4 people are give answer. 91 0 engagement. 102 0 engagement. So impression will be done, but clicks will be not done. So when posting the engagement after reaching the people, that is called the tweet is well eligible by the particular post option. So everything will be posted on your particular activity. So what are the trend? The based on the poll will be create, activate your profile and trending by your profile option to user activity purpose. So that is called main reason for Twitter activity will be increased and the followers will be increased. Always the impression will be 14,000, 15,000. That will be within a 30 days of time period. So always your arrow will be showing for up. So still impression will be going down. So when you will increase the impression, when your posting will be conducted regularly, the impression will be increased. Profile visit, mention 5. Followers all will be increased. Always the showing for up arrow, not for the down arrow. So here I'm putting poll already. 4 people voting for your option. So this is called engagement your Twitter profile and Facebook page to increase the customer and increase the audience to increase the page likes and Twitter followers. Activity is more important by the your particular Facebook page and Twitter profile and important by the activity your users. This is called create the polls on particular hashtag option, weekly trending and regular trending option.